Recently, I've been very proud and very, secure in my movements. What I say, how I look, how I feel, how I actually walk. That is, you know, sounds like a bare minimum, right? Every human should have that, but doesn't, because of modern social media technology, blah blah blah. You know the script, you know the list, but it's really, yeah, it's really amazing to not constantly be in a fight or flight situation where you're thinking, like, constantly anxious about things and certain, constantly thinking about what other people are thinking, how you're moving, even does my hand movement look a little weird. It's all in your head. You live too much in your head, and once you get out of it, you realize that everyone is as much in their heads as you. Nobody's really thinking that much about you as you really think. You are, there's two types of memory. One is sensory memory, the other is, I don't remember, but some kind of memory that stays. Sensory memory is for, it lasts for 2 to 3 seconds. For example, if I saw a dog walking past, I'll remember it for a 2 to 3 seconds. But if that dog is not important enough, if I'm just walking, just a random dog passes by, I'll forget it, right? Because it stays for 2 to 3 seconds. And if that dog is important enough, I'll think about that dog. Oh, what breed is it, and this and that. Oh, is it a pet? Whatever. Then by repetition, it will go into my long-term memory. So then I can remember that what that dog looks like, what everything, I don't have a script, so just deal with it. Okay. Yeah, be proud of who you are, be proud of what you do. And yeah, I know it's not easy, I know it's very easier said than done, but trust me, I've done it, and I might need to do it again if I encounter the same problem again and again, because life is chaotic. You will face the same problems you once overcame. You were once thinking that, oh, now it's like a touch object, like a like I'm over this, I'm bigger than this. But that same problem will come back and bite you, and it's really it takes a toll on your ego. But guess what, you have to put that aside and work regardless. You have your own why. Mine is, I just want to be better. I just want to be capable young man who can pretty much do anything. Yeah, sounds pretty ambitious, right? I'll make it happen one day. Until next time, Girivesh signing off. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.